Hello guys, so this is a WhatsApp tutorial proper. Now the account is logged out, so I'm trying to log in again, and I'm to add my number to the WhatsApp. I'm using my niece and nephew's contact for this. So they've sent the OTP and I've added the OTP, and after they have verified me, I'm asked to add a name, display name to the account. It's been long this WhatsApp has been used, but the messages are still there. So I'm asked to add email address. So I'm skipping this for now, and the account is initializing. If you're using a first number, you won't see these things, but since the first is a already used number, this is it. And this is me trying to create a new community, and to create a new community just need to click on the green box down there, and this is me checking status. To add status, go to the updates path and click on add status. So you can either add a text. I'm trying to do it again. Add a text or a voice note or a video or a picture, anyone that you want. To just tap on that add status and follow the instructions. And also channels, can follow channels on WhatsApp. So this to search for channels, click on explore more, and you see the other categories. The channels are the categories, and then search if you know the channel name. Then go to community. If you want to start your own community, you can start your own community. And remember, you can also access this if you go to your chat and click on that green box. You see the new community there. They still lead you to the same path. For calls, click on calls. You see your call log, your missed calls, your video calls, your received calls, and the ones you dialed. Then community will done that. Now we're going back to the chat part and click on the three dots up. When you click on three dots I'm explaining everything there. So when you go to accounts, email address, click on email address, add email address. If you don't have email address already linked to your WhatsApp number, to change your number, click on change number and add the new number you want to change. Make sure the number is accessible because you need an OTP. And that's that for the numbers. And if you want to add an account, you can add another WhatsApp account to the WhatsApp app. You can do that. To delete account, click on delete account and delete your account, just like this in your Instagram account. Now let's go to privacy. You set who can see your last scene and when you are online. Anyone you want it to be everyone or just contact, you can do that. Then profile picture, you can set it to number of people that can send you links. They can click your links. That's there. Then status privacy, you can set it up to read messages is on. If you want it off, you turn it off. Nobody will know if you've read their messages or not. And then your live location, I will make another video to show you how to share live location on WhatsApp. So for calls, you can select calls from numbers that you did not save. Then this is contacts. If you want WhatsApp to sync all your contacts on your device, you can click on that too. And this is advanced settings. If you want to block unknown messages and block your IP address and stuff, you can click on that too. Now we are checking avatar. I want to customize your picture like Snapchat. That's where you go to avatar and set that one up. And also let's do the notifications. This is where you control all the sounds and everything sounds on your WhatsApp, both the video call tones, your ringing tone for WhatsApp calls and everything. This is where it's setting. And let's go to chats. So for the theme, you can change the theme of your WhatsApp by clicking on theme and select the one you want to. So let's go back to system default, and you can change the chat theme any color you want. If you want it to be green, purple, anyone you click on it, you can change the theme from the normal one to any one of your choice. And media visibility, if you want it to be saved in your gallery, you turn it off. If you want it to not to be saved in your gallery, you turn it off. And voice messages, transcript, that one is there too. If you want to archive your chats, they're also there. If you want to back up your chat, just click on chat backup and back it up. So chat history, click on chat history. You can either export, archive, clear, or delete all chats. And the next one we are going to check is we've checked the notifications already. So we are going to check the storage and data. The storage and data, this is where you see the media storage you've used, the network usage, the amount of data you used on your WhatsApp, and the media quality. If you want to change it to HD permanently, you click on media upload quality and click on HD, and you'll be sending only HD videos and pictures. Now this is the critical part. So media auto download. If you don't want pictures or all these group messages to be videos to be downloaded automatically, you just come to this part of go to settings and storage, and set the media auto download. Turn everything off and they will not auto download again. Accessibility. So if you want your GIFs to be automatically playing, you can set it up. And what else am I going to check? They want to access other meta apps, they're also there, but for me to access them I need to connect it to my Facebook. And that's it. And the next one we have to check is app language. Okay, sorry, let's do this one first. To set up your two-factor authentication, click on accounts and click on two-step verification. And to request account info, you can also do this. So they'll send you a report on your accounts and stuff. These ones are for the people that want to go extra mile with WhatsApp, where it's not really urgent. So if you want to change the language on your app, you click on app language and select your native language for easy usage on WhatsApp. I think that's basically it. Am I missing anything on WhatsApp? You can also search. Yes, you can search the settings. So you can search this part of the WhatsApp to get what you are looking for. If it's not, they have to check for other ones to find it.